suburb of Leichhardt, everyone is deaf, dumb and blind, as you can see. They couldn't care less. Oh, it's actually starting to rain, and they're doing this. It's actually raining, I think. Is it raining? Oh, it's starting to rain. We've been up and down this street for a bloody hour, and of course we have to, walked into the neighbours there, of course, because they're always out here when we come over. But it's actually starting to rain. It doesn't look like rain, but there is actually rain. Good morning. But the amount of noise they make, in what reality does the council mow the lawn and then also do all the edges and everything separately, like as though it was like you wouldn't even do that. People wouldn't even do that in their own house, much less, a whole street. And they were here 3 days ago. They did this same thing. I won't talk about that, but now they're back 3 days later. I don't quite understand why, you would come and do grass, and they had like great big machines, and the same as all this racket going on, but I'm a bit late because I wait till I get absolutely fed up before I'm prepared to go and get the mobile and actually film it. I think if they're quick, I'll let them go. But basically, they keep going. Like, the sun's coming out now. I wonder what that means. It's funny. It's been funny weather. But I can't stand the noise. Even though it doesn't sound loud, I know that it's actually quite loud. And I can't hear the TV even with it, so it must be loud. It's actually raining here. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't be bloody bothered. Sorry about that. Has to be making sensible videos so that people understand. Look, this. See, the minute I close the door, they come right close and make it louder too, so that way I don't film how actually unnecessarily noisy just doing, the grass in the street. But 3 days ago they were here, and now they've come back. See, that's just shows that it's because that's kind of very on and off grating, very negative noise on your senses. Of course, everything is cumulative. Like I was down the road where all the traffic was extra loud. Like most of the vehicles were abnormally loud, and there were motorbikes really revving up their engines as they go past. And that was continual most of the time. Even though it was like, should have been quiet because it was like 3, 4 in the morning. But, and then you come home and then they start up early in the morning with doing grass. So it's like a continual thing, but if people see it separately, it doesn't seem like anything. But that's because it is, even with the traffic. That traffic probably wouldn't be like that for everyone all the time. Those particular vehicles are only making the noise as they go past me or another that's the same as myself. They're not doing that 24 hours a day like if it was a normal reality. I wouldn't imagine. And if it was the case, that would be even more evidence that most people are not normal. Because, like, if it's driving me bonkers, and it's, why are they still doing it out there? Like, it should take them a short space of time to just go, because they've clearly finished it, but they're still hanging around, playing around on the other side, you know, with those noisy little machines that are doing unnecessary work, because essentially they should just be able to go up and down with that one big machine, which they've already done. You know, since when do they hang around? And then, of course, they come with blowing the grass around with those high-powered wind blowers that make enough noise as though they're blowing the whole suburb away. You know, like, oh, what's the point anyway? What's the point in saying all this? Forget it.